Kailh box brown mechanical switches. 65% compact size keyboard. N-key rollover to detect all keystrokes and prevent keystroke loss during intense gameplay. RGB. A detachable USB-C cable makes this compact keyboard even more portable. Top reviews from the United States. Great keyboard. Bought this keyboard when there was barely any reviews about it, but I've heard really good things about Ducky keyboards, so I decided to take a chance and I am very happy I did. I love it, but the red keycaps doesn't match the keyboard for some reason. And I kinda wanted a black and red keyboard, but other than that I love it. Kid approved. Also compact and relatively quiet for mechanical switches. Connects via a modern C-to-C connector. Hardwired is faster than Bluetooth. Good typing experience for me the adult. For my kid, even though this is reduced key count, it has all the gamer key combos and navigation controls he needs right on top without resorting to the FN key. Notably, an earlier model from a different company didn't. Study pictures of the key layout on whatever you are considering. Brown keys, on this unit, aren't the racket that classic gamer keys make, yet my kid has the tactile feel and audible click he wants. If you are a writer with fond selectric memories, these mechanical keyboards for gamers are a treat for adults too. But I recommend the following. C-to-C cable. Bluetooth as a switchable option. A sane key backlight color option, with adjustable intensity, and a normal, not gamer-centric, keyboard layout, easy arrow key use, normal punctuation marks in the right places, usable without FN key.